In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your menu on BigCommerce. We'll walk through how to update existing menu items, add new ones, create dropdowns, reorder your navigation, and hide items without deleting them. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what each option does, so your storefront navigation is clear and easy for shoppers to use. First, sign into your BigCommerce dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and open Storefront, then choose Web Pages. This is the control center for what appears in your top navigation. If a page is listed here and set to show in navigation, it can appear in your menu. To edit an existing menu item, find the page you want in the Web Pages list and click its name. Here you can change the page name, which is the label customers see in the menu, update the URL, adjust the content, and control its visibility. If you only need to change the label without touching the content, just update the page name. If you adjust the URL, be mindful that existing links may no longer work, so plan any changes carefully. When you're done, scroll down and click Save and Exit. Your updates appear on the storefront right away. To add a new menu item, click Create a Web Page. Choose the page type that fits your goal. Link only is perfect if you don't need page content and want the item to point somewhere else, like a category or an external resource. Content page gives you a full page to write on. Category page connects directly to a product category. RSS feed displays a feed if you use one. Enter your page name, the URL or category, and if you want this to live under another item, select a parent page. Save and exit to publish it. To create drop-down menus, open the page you want to nest under a main item. Use the action menu and choose Edit, or just click the page name. In parent page, select the main item, like your shop page, then save. That page will now appear as a submenu under the parent. Aim to keep drop-downs simple for better usability. To reorder your navigation, go back to Storefront, open Web Pages, then click Reorder. Drag and drop items into the sequence you want and save. Place your most important links toward the left and test how it looks on mobile. To hide a menu item without deleting it, open the page, scroll to Navigation Menu Options, uncheck Show in Navigation Menu, then save and exit. The page still exists and can be accessed directly. It just won't appear in the menu. That's it. Your BigCommerce menu, organized exactly how you want it.